Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Alfred app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Alfred is a popular home security app that turns your old smartphones into security cameras. With just two phones, one as a camera and one as a viewer, you can monitor your home, office, or pets from anywhere. It offers motion detection, instant alerts, cloud recording, night vision, and even two-way audio for communication. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is simple to set up. Just sign in on both devices and link them. Most users love how they can repurpose old phones without needing to buy new hardware. Video streaming is decent, and the motion alerts are fairly quick. The two-way talk feature works well for checking in on kids or even scaring off intruders. But there are a few drawbacks. Some users report occasional connection drops, especially with older phones or weak Wi-Fi. The free version includes ads and doesn't offer HD quality unless you upgrade to premium. Also, battery drain can be an issue if the phone used as a camera isn't plugged in continuously. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Alfred is a great option for budget-conscious users who want basic home security without investing in new equipment. It's easy to use, flexible, and can turn any spare phone into a security tool. However, for those needing advanced features or higher video quality, the free version may feel limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.